Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. I'm having a bad hair day, so I'm going to put Brittany in front of the camera. She's excited to tell you guys about this home. Go for it.
Hey guys, it's Brittany. Just as a side note, I will be walking slow because I almost did the splits early and it was very, very, very dangerous. So, we're in this nice Singlewide that's going to Bonnie Weiss, and she's super great customer. Right now, I believe I'm in the living room. Watch out, I'm serious, it's slick.
We put a wax on all of the floors before we ship them out.
That's right, we're making it look sharp. So now I'm going to journey into the kitchen where you see this nice fancy countertop. I love these countertops.
A lot of people love this corner sink right here because as you're doing dishes, you can be watching out the window as well. This was one of the features that Bonnie loved about this home.
We got a nice gas stove, cabinets.
I will tell you guys, as you can see, we were at stainless steel appliances for a while, and it looks like black is back, so
I think it looks really sharp. Honestly.
I like the black.
Plus with the black dishwasher, I think it looks really nice with the color of the countertops, honestly.
We got to give a huge shout out to Michael Stuziak.
Yes. Thank you very much. Well, I don't believe that we're supposed to.
And his wife.
Don't
forget
like
his
that.
wife.
I do appreciate the sentiment.
Brittany,
we made this window larger. I know that.
Brittany, could you tell us what you do at Champion Homes?
So after someone sells the home, mainly Kristina, I take over the deal, meaning that I collect the money. I help you find a good freight company. I help you do setup. If you're doing a finance deal, I help you get all your finance documents into whatever bank you need me to send them to. I do your MCO work, which if you don't know, an MCO is the Manufacturer Certificate of Origin. It's what you'll take after you get your home to the BMV to get your home titled and to prove that you paid taxes on them. I keep record of all of your documents. I'm your go-to person. If you ever need anything after the original sale is done, I take over most things. I have no idea what you're saying.
Warranty. She also is our...
Warranty issues. Yes. I take care of all of those kind of things too. Yeah, if there's any issues whatsoever, after you make the initial deal, I'm your gal. If you need to make more payments or whatever, it would be me that you have contact with.
Brittany does a lot, guys. She is my go-to person.
Sometimes, guys, we're not gonna lie.
She does a lot.
I'm really good at looking busy. I look stressed out most of the time, and that makes people think, man, she's got a lot going on. I'm a mother. We put in a gas furnace instead of an electric one. I have not quite mastered the art of the rubber bands. I'm going to give it a go. There we go. We're doing our final walkthrough before the factory comes in and fixes any little thing that I don't like. They'll come in and fix it before we ship it off. So if I see, one of these battens, which are super easy to fix, if I see one that is loose, I am able to put tape on it, and they will come in here with their super fancy gun and shoot it. And I don't know why I made that face either, but it happened. Here we go. Walking slow. Here is the first bedroom, right? It's only 2 bedrooms, but it's a really cute little house here. As you can see, I've marked stuff that I don't like. So the factory's going to come in and fix those little things that I don't like, and make sure that it's good to go for the customer. And again, here we are.
Brittany loves the closets.
I do. These are big. They're so deep. So big closet here.
So what happens after the home gets to your property, after you've got juice running through it, electricity, water, all the things, then you're going to make Brittany a list of anything that's still out of the ordinary that you're not happy with, and you're going to email that to her along with pictures, and then she will send it over to the service department at the factory, and then they will schedule a contractor to come out if it's within your warranty parameters.
And if not, I'll still help you figure out what's going on, and it's not, normally guys, these things are not shipped terribly wrong. You might find some cosmetic stuff, but you also have to remember that these houses travel at 65, 70 miles an hour down the road. They're not going to arrive perfect, but they arrive about as perfect as you can get. In here in the bathroom.
I love this bathroom and the way it turned out.
Man. Well, she added the window here, right?
Yep.
I like it. Really let some natural sun in here.
I do some of my best thinking on the toilet. Doesn't everybody?
I do some of my best game playing on my phone in the toilet. I do not sanitize my phone enough, I'll tell you. Same countertop as in the kitchen.
I like how it's like a little nook right there.
Well, yeah, you don't have to worry
With the
about
sink.
that. I mean, if you really needed to have a girl's situation in there, you could be going to the bathroom and that person could be doing their makeup.
Also has a big drawers built into the vanity. That's cool.
Yeah.
All right.
Master bedroom.
Woohoo!
Here we are. I don't know why I'm making that move because I am not going to be moving like that because I will fall. But this is what's cool here. Now, you know I love a good closet, right? So I'm going to go ahead in this way. Okay, sucking it in.
Where'd she go?
Love it.
Walk through a closet all the way
Huge
through.
closet,
Mhm.
right? Just all that extra storage that you feel like you wouldn't get in a single wide, you really have it with this huge monster closet.
Yeah. We did do a lino throughout. You'll notice we haven't seen any carpet yet, but that's okay. Some people like it that way.
Yeah, she ordered it that way. I love carpet. I don't know what's going on with people, but you know, we love you, Bonnie, regardless.
We do love you, Bonnie.
She also upgraded to 200 amp, which I can clearly see here because those are things that I have to check for before it goes out. So she upgraded to the 200 amp here. I'm getting really sophisticated at these videos. I just want you guys to know.
You do a great job.
Okay, back down this long hallway.
Now we did a couple of customizations in the living room. Do you remember what we did, Brittany?
You moved the window.
Uh-huh.
To
It
this
was
side.
over here.
It was here.
We moved
and
it across the
here.
street to over there.
You made this one bigger, or was it comes like that?
We made it bigger.
Okay.
Also, made that one bigger.
Now that's an 8 by 30, right?
Yes. No, big. 46 by 61.
Oh, right. 8 by 30 is the little small transom window. Okay.
So Bonnie, I know you're gonna see we've got black appliances in here. We were really hoping for the stainless steel. I don't even know what to say about it. See guys, we had a long spurt there. You've seen it in my videos where we had nothing but stainless steel. Well, all of a sudden, they popped the black in on me again without any kind of warning. So I think this turned out, and it looks really sharp. It gives it a nice contrast in the kitchen.
Yeah, and it matches the countertop. But I mean, I could see why you would want the stainless steel. But Bonnie, I'm gonna be honest with you. I know you don't have kids running in and out of there. I don't know what your grandkid situation is, but stainless steel, washing stainless steel and making it look nice all the time, that's such a pain. This really looks nice, I think.
All right, so Brittany, thank you for your guidance today, and we just hope you come and see us. It's a great time. We usually have tacos laying around.
That's right.
And we love when people visit us. You know, just this Saturday I had a couple of families that came in. Shout out to them also. It's just a cool thing to see in person. They kept telling me, you know, these YouTube videos, it really doesn't do them justice. When you're standing inside of these homes, it's a whole different vibe or a whole different feeling, right? You actually get to think about, where am I going to put my furniture? What am I going to do here? You know, the different ways you can furnish it and how it's going to feel to live in it, right? You can hear me talk and Brittany talk all day long about how great these homes are, but come and feel it out for yourself. I promise you will not be disappointed. And we're pretty fun to hang out with.
Yeah, man.
All right, till we see you guys again later. Bye-bye.
Bye.